Fleetguard Fuel Filter FF5776. Overall height 226. 52 mm, 8. 918 in. Thread size M90 by 2 to 7H int. Largest OD 119. 89 mm, 4. 72 in. Cummins 2010 ISX engines 15L and 16L engine. Cummins 2010 ISX 11. 9L engine. Same as Cummins 2864993. 2,893,612. 3,685,306. For upgrade, use FF5811. Cummins Filtration FF5776 secondary fuel filter. Fits Cummins 2010 ISX engines 15L and 16L engine. Cummins 2010 ISX 11. 9L engine. Top reviews from the United States. Easier install. Fits, works great on my 2013 ISX 15. It's so much easier to install than the longer version. Keeping your Cummins ISX engine running strong starts with clean, consistent fuel delivery, and the Fleetguard FF5776 fuel filter is engineered to do exactly that. Designed specifically for Cummins 2010 ISX engines, this secondary fuel filter delivers dependable filtration performance that helps protect critical fuel system components and supports long engine life, even under demanding operating conditions. The Fleetguard FF5776 is compatible with Cummins ISX 15L, 16L, and 11. 9L engines and is the same as Cummins part numbers 2,864,993, 2,893,612, and 3685306. Built to precise specifications, it features an overall height of 226. 52 mm, a largest outside diameter of 119. 89 mm, and an internal thread size of M90 by 2 to 7H, ensuring a correct and secure fit. This shorter design compared to some longer alternatives makes installation noticeably easier, especially in tight engine compartments, saving time during routine maintenance. As part of Cummins Filtration, Fleetguard filters are known for high-quality materials and proven filtration efficiency. The FF5776 helps remove harmful contaminants from fuel before they reach sensitive engine components, reducing wear and supporting reliable performance mile after mile. For operators looking to upgrade filtration capacity, Fleetguard recommends the FF5811, but the FF5776 remains an excellent choice for standard service intervals and easier handling. Many drivers appreciate how smoothly this filter installs and how well it performs in real-world use, with users reporting excellent fitment on engines like the ISX 15. Whether you are maintaining a single truck or managing an entire fleet, choosing the correct fuel filter is essential for controlling operating costs and avoiding unnecessary downtime. If you want a trusted, OEM equivalent fuel filter that fits properly and installs with less hassle, the Fleetguard FF5776 is a smart investment. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility and purchase this filter today, and subscribe to the channel for more heavy-duty truck parts, maintenance tips, and reliable product recommendations.